Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have not yet clicked on the bell icon, then please do click on the bell icon as well, so you guys can receive regular updates from our end. Okay, so today's video is regarding the Fibonacci retracement, that how to take a trade with the help of the Fibonacci tool, and secondly how to enter a trade and how to use this tool. Okay, so we are using the Bitcoin's chart. It is the 4-hour chart, so you guys can better understand that how we can use this trade. So the first important factor is that you have to do is that you have to identify a top and a bottom in any chart on which you want to use the Fibonacci retracement. So as this is the 4-hour chart, so I am going to use first of all I am going to identify the trend. As you guys can see that it is a sell trend, so I am going to take a retracement trade, or I am going to set up a retracement scenario, so that will be taking a buy trade, okay, in the opposite direction of the market. So first of all, the highest point that we have available is this area, and now we have to identify the lowest point. So from this point to the lowest point will be this area. No, this will be the lowest area. Okay, so let me add Fibonacci retracement over here. So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. Okay, so now you guys can see that we have let me zoom in a little. Okay, so we have these levels over here. So you guys can see that this is the one level, this is the 0.78 level, this is 0.68. Okay, this is 0.68, this is 0.5, halfway, then 0.3, then 0.23, and then zero level. These are basically the breakups uh, from where we expect the levels to be made. So for example, if someone is very new in the market and he does not know how to take a trade or how to mark levels, so the lines that are given in this Fibonacci retracement are basically historically proven good level points. Okay, so for example, when we have marked the highest and lowest point, you guys can see that this area is a level over here which is 0.23. Okay, you guys can see that this level was tested over here and over here. So two times this level was already tested, and third time it was tested over here. Okay, you guys can see that once this level was tested, then we can take a buy trade. Okay, you guys can take a long position once market closes above this level. So this would be a risky trade if you enter over here. So for example, this would be a stop loss and a take profit would be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a risk to reward ratio of 1%. Okay. And now afterwards, if we wait for a retest and then we enter this trade, for example, over here, then we make some good profit. So if we enter on a retest, then definitely we have a better chance of making profit. So this would be a stop loss and a take profit will be over here. So this trade would give us a 4.3% profit. Okay. So this is a very simple way to identify buy and sell. And then similarly, if the market goes up till this level, then we have to wait, as this level is going to act as an area of resistance. And you guys can see that from this top, this is the next area level from where the resistance came in. You guys can see that this was a positive candle, but this area remained, and this was a automatic creation of a level of resistance. So you guys can do the similar thing. You guys can sell from this level, which is the basically 0.78 level, and you guys can buy from the 0.23 level. Okay, so I hope that this was the first educational video that I have made for you guys, and I hope that you guys will have some help and this will help out you guys. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you guys would like me to do more videos on the educational material on how to use different indicators, I will be glad that to help out you guys. So today's video is all about this Fibonacci retracement. If you guys want to understand this more, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys tomorrow with Monday's fresh scenarios. Thank you.